Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some blockchain technology trivia. What is the main technology behind cryptocurrencies? Is it A, blockchain backup, B, distributed ledger, C, centralized database, or D, cloud storage? The correct answer is B, distributed ledger. Which cryptocurrency was created by Satoshi Nakamoto? Is it A, Bitcoin, B, Dogecoin, C, Ethereum, or D, Litecoin? The correct answer is A, Bitcoin. What is the term for a block that has been added to the blockchain? Is it A, unverified block, B, confirmed block, C, pending block, or D, abandoned block? The correct answer is B, confirmed block. What provides the security for blockchain systems? Is it A, firewalls, B, central servers, C, cryptography, or D, antivirus software? The correct answer is C, cryptography. What is a digital currency beyond just Bitcoin? Is it A, cash? Fiat currency is a government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity. Gift card is a prepaid card used for purchases at specific stores and does not function as a currency. Cash is physical money, coins and banknotes, and is not classified as digital currency. B, fiat currency, C, altcoin, or D, gift card. The correct answer is C, altcoin. Which consensus mechanism uses a lottery system? Is it A, Byzantine fault tolerance, B, delegated voting, C, proof of stake, or D, proof of work? The correct answer is C, proof of stake. What is the abbreviation for Ether, the cryptocurrency of Ethereum? Is it A, ETH, B, HRC, ETC, or D, EHT? The correct answer is E. What is the name of the Ethereum programming language? Is it A, Rust, B, Viper, C, Solidity, or D, JavaScript? The correct answer is C, Solidity. Which term refers to the act of buying cryptocurrency? Is it A, versus B, trade, C, mine, or D, invest? The correct answer is A, purchase. What is the purpose of a cryptocurrency wallet? Is it A, valid cryptocurrencies cannot be used for food preparation, B, storing assets, C, making coffee, or D, designing websites? The correct answer is B, storing assets. What process creates new units of cryptocurrency? Is it A, staking, B, mining, C, printing, or D, forging? The correct answer is B, mining. What term describes an increase in a cryptocurrency supply? Is it A, stagnation, B, inflation, C, regulation, or D, deflation? The correct answer is B, inflation. What is the term for a temporary decrease in value? Is it A, market correction, B, economic slump, C, recession, or D, price drop? The correct answer is A, market correction. What is a smart contract? Is it A, self-executing agreement, B, a smart contract is not a traditional legal document requiring human intervention, C, legal document, or D, physical contract? The correct answer is A, self-executing agreement. What is the name for a cryptocurrency market aggregator? Is it A, block market, B, crypto tracker, C, coin market cap, or D, chain stats? The correct answer is C, coin market cap. Which token standard is used on Ethereum? Is it A, ER71, B, ERC20, C, TRC10, or D, BEP20? The correct answer is B, ERC20. What is a fork in blockchain? Is it A, new cryptocurrency type, B, smart contract audit, C, change in protocol, or D, block reward increase? The correct answer is C, change in protocol. What is Vitalik Buterin known for? Is it A, co-founding Ethereum, B, creating video games, C, running for president, or D, inventing Bitcoin? The correct answer is A, co-founding Ethereum. What is a key feature of immutability in blockchain? Is it A, data permanence, B, data duplication, C, temporary storage, or D, data volatility? The correct answer is A, data permanence. What is the main disadvantage of proof of work? Is it A, high energy consumption, B, low transaction speed, C, security vulnerability, or D, centralized control? The correct answer is A, high energy consumption. What does ICO stand for in cryptocurrency terms? Is it A, investment capital option, B, initial coin offering, C, initial currency order, or D, international consensus organization? The correct answer is B, initial coin offering. Which cryptocurrency was launched as a joke? Is it A, Ripple, B, Bitcoin, C, Litecoin, or D, Dogecoin? The correct answer is D, Dogecoin. What does NFT stand for? Is it A, non-fungible transaction, B, non-fungible token, C, non-fungible tally, or D, National Finance Trust? The correct answer is B, non-fungible token. What is the Ethereum upgrade focused on scaling? Is it A, Bitcoin, B, Ethereum Classic, C, Ethereum 2.0, or D, CryptoKitties? The correct answer is C, Ethereum 2.0. What is it called when transaction fees are paid with network tokens? Is it A, gas fees, B, network charges, C, mining fees, or D, transaction costs? The correct answer is A, gas fees. Which cryptocurrency uses a unique minting mechanism? Is it A, Ethereum, B, Tezos, C, Litecoin, or D, Bitcoin? The correct answer is B, Tezos. What software enables the blockchain to operate? Is it A, operating system, B, client software, C, database manager, or D, web browser? The correct answer is B, client software. What is the Ethereum upgrade to improve scalability? Is it A, shard chains, B, hard forks, C, proof of work, or D, gas fees? The correct answer is A, shard chains. What is the primary focus of blockchain technology? Is it A, speed, B, centralization, C, transparency, or D, decentralization? The correct answer is D, decentralization. What refers to a digital asset verification method? Is it A, cryptographic signature, B, digital watermark, C, data encryption, or D, QR code? The correct answer is A, cryptographic signature. Which key provides access to a cryptocurrency wallet? Is it A, public key, B, wallet address, C, security token, or D, private key? The correct answer is D, private key. What is the block size limit for Bitcoin? Is it A, 1 MB, B, 2 MB, C, 4, D, 512 KB? The correct answer is A, 1 MB. What kind of prototypes are built using Ethereum's framework? Is it A, smart contracts, B, centralized apps, C, blockchain games, or D, dApps? The correct answer is D, dApps. What blockchain feature prevents double spending? Is it A, centralized ledger, B, smart contract, C, consensus mechanism, or D, hash rate? The correct answer is C, consensus mechanism. Which term refers to the network's computing power? Is it A, block reward, B, mining rate, C, hashing speed, or D, hash rate? The correct answer is D, hash rate. What type of blockchain allows for public access? Is it A, private, B, permissionless, C, semi-public, or D, restricted? The correct answer is B, permissionless. What scaling solution reduces congestion on chains? Is it A, sidechain mechanics, B, sharding methods, C, hard fork updates, or D, layer 2 solutions? The correct answer is D, layer 2 solutions. What term refers to a data set of valid transactions? Is it A, ledger, B, snapshot, C, archive, or D, block? The correct answer is block. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.